Hi Felicities, this is John Victor and you're tuned into it. You're tuned into the channel with no name. I should know how to say that after like so many times saying it, but whatever. OMG, we are back doing another video, and let me just sort of fix my hair. I didn't even look up all the information for this. I never do. Anyways, I'm gonna be one of those YouTubers. I am doing a very exciting, not unboxing, but reveal of a gift I got for my 28th birthday. I'm sorry if there's like a glare on my glasses, at least on the right side. We use natural lighting. Okay, let me just slowly fix my hair. Sorta. That's good. That's good. So, obviously, from this little box, it's something from Saint Laurent. My 28th birthday just passed on August 5th, and my cousin got me this really cute little gift. And obviously, it's not something super big since this is the bag that it came in. And I'm actually... So I've been using the gift, so I'm gonna just show you that. I'll do the like reveal unboxing and like what it came with, and then I'm gonna talk to you about like my thoughts on it and just like general thoughts on the item itself and the category it falls in. And so there's actually stuff in here, so I'm just gonna show you. This is the little box that it came in. Avi, it says Saint Laurent. Did it autofocus, whatever. It came with a ribbon. I opened it at the actual party. It comes with like all these wrapping paper, and in the actual like item there's these little stuff because it's a card holder, Avi. And this is the like authentic card and care information. Or I haven't opened it. I don't know. Do I really need to open it? But yeah, so this is what it came with, and I actually don't know where the little ribbon is, but I was using it today, and really quick, I was using my beautiful Louis Vuitton Alma BB in the monogram, and it's with the gold hardware. I've had this for a while now. Y'all know this is my 2-year sobriety chip, but this is the dust bag that the item came in. And it's actually something that I had wanted. I had seen this in Vegas when I went before 2018. So it was like a couple of days before New Year. And I said I wanted to get it. And to reveal, ooh, my cards are there, but this is the Beautimus. There's no actual personal information. The Beautimus of a card holder, and it's the Saint Laurent or Saint Laurent chevron card holder in the pebbled like kind of caviar-y leather. Oh my gosh, I don't know the name and I can't even remember. I think this is like about $250. But I'm just super excited. It's actually coming up like way more redder, and so I'm gonna try to take pictures and post it on my Instagram so you can see it. But it's a deep red, and y'all know how I feel about reds. I love color in my collection. If I'm gonna get a card holder that's expensive, first and foremost, it's gonna be either a card holder that pops. I'm actually gonna show you one of my card holder. This one I've had for quite some time now, but this is from Henry Bendel. And this is my butterfly card holder. And y'all know that I also have another Henry Bendel splatter paint card holder. But obviously those aren't luxury SLGs. This is a luxury SLG. And while it's really beautiful, I personally would never buy it myself. But as a gift, I will take it. So thanks, cousin. I actually had mentioned him in my last video. He is my cousin that goes by Conqueré. So if you still haven't checked him out, check him out. He's so fabulous. Like, we're like fabulous cousins. But yeah, so I really appreciate this gift. I've actually been enjoying it and using it. It's really beautiful with the gold color combo and the red and the chevron. Like, it's amazing, right? But it is an SLG, and some people are not willing to dole out that kind of money, myself included. I personally think that, for me personally, I wouldn't get an SLG, luxury SLG, even on the pre-loved market. And like I said, as a gift, I'll take it, but I usually go for like QT, more affordable SLGs that come from like Henry Bendel, because first and foremost I want something with a pop of color and something that's gonna last. And while these do last, the price point is still so high. At that $250 price point, you can start getting some of the vintage pre-loved bags rather than a card holder. But I knew like, okay, well, he said I could ask him for at least one thing at this price point. This was something I had actually not just lusted after, but you know, like, it would be fun to just, and let me demo. This is like one of the fun things about having color in your collection is like, pull it out, like, it just pops out, the color. It's cool, like, you know, like, there's some amazing SLGs, but people sometimes just get really simple colors like black, and I'm like, okay, well, black and then gold hardware, black and silver hardware, but this just like pops more, and it's more inviting, like, oh, that's kind of cute. It's more eye-catching. That's why you notice a lot of my not small leather goods, like my small little goods, like card holders are on the more affordable end, but they do pop. And so that's kind of how I feel about like SLGs. You should totally, yes. If it's in your budget, if you want to spend your money on it, get it. If somebody decides to gift it to you, like family, that's awesome. But for me, you know, I definitely, I wouldn't buy it myself. And if they were only like, and honestly, like some of the price points too on the pre-love market, like I was actually looking this up, and this is the price point for this SLG. Like I think I might have been looking at it on Fashion File, and it's literally being upsold pre-tax. I don't think it was $250. I think I saw it as $295. Like if not the red one, the black one. And I'm just like, I don't want to buy that. Like, I'm not gonna pay for that. I'll buy it in store if anything. I wouldn't buy it on that end. But that's the thing that gets me, is like, yeah, this is considered like a rare color combo, but at the end it's just a card holder. And it was funny, I was showing it to my friend and she was just like, oh, this is a really nice card holder. It looks like it's difficult to get your card out. And it's like, yep, that's pretty much my assessment of it. It is hard to get your card out. But I'm really appreciative of my cousin. Thank you, Conco Ray, for, oh my gosh, it's really hot, of getting it for me. I just didn't think I would get it actually this soon. It's beautiful. I'm really excited to continue to use it and to just finally, like, I love when cards get wear and you get to use, not cards, when your items, like, build the wear that you add to it. It becomes yours, right? You cast a spell on it, and you put a piece of yourself in it because you're constantly using it. You're putting your cards, your ID, and then you're taking it out and you're holding it, and a part of your soul is transferred into these objects. No, I'm just joshing, but yeah, I'm just really excited to get some more use out of it. I definitely think that this is something I'll have for a long time in my collection because it's my only, at this point, it's actually the only SLG, luxury SLG I have. And yeah, that was a really long chit chat. Definitely, if you want to see more pictures of this, check out my Instagram, Fierce Renegade. If you want to check out the Saint Laurent boutique and look for some fun colors and some fun SLGs, especially in the chevron style, go to your nearest boutique. I definitely would recommend sometimes in the different seasons, I don't think I'd pay the Chanel price point, but they have really good colors. I've definitely seen some dope like turquoise, mermaid, green, like all these different beautiful colors. So if you're gonna get an SLG, you might as well get one that pops. But yeah, so I think that's all I have to say. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's something really simple, but I hope it makes you think about, like, you know, SLGs and the cost of it, and if that's something that you want to invest in, or just nudge at a friend or a family member and say, hey, my birthday's coming up. Joshin, just Joshin. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and I'll see you very soon for a lot of videos to come.